Lovable gives you 5 build credits a day for free. I spent them on one simple task board. This is the same screen 35 minutes later. 0. There's a number Lovable doesn't print on that pricing page. It's the gap between the $25 they advertise and what finishing an app actually costs. I'll show you exactly where that number comes from in 3 minutes. And then there's a day in April this year that Lovable would rather you forgot about. I built a real app on this thing start to finish. Not a demo, not a landing page for a screenshot. So this review comes from the credit counter, not the pricing page. 4 things, and then you can go build something. 1. What an app actually costs in credits, with real numbers. 2. The full security story, what went wrong and what they've fixed since. 3. The exact moment you should stop using Lovable and move somewhere else. And 4. Who should skip this tool completely. I'm doing that one before I tell you who should buy it. Before any of that, the disclosure. The Lovable link in my description is an affiliate link. If you sign up through it, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Here's what that changes about the next 10 minutes. Nothing. Including the part where I tell you not to buy this. I'd rather you trust the numbers than click the link. Here's the part that earns the hype. 1 prompt, plain English. Lovable writes a React and Tailwind front end, wires up a Supabase back end, and builds the database. It adds the login system and deploys the whole thing to a live address. That's the app on the internet on its own URL. And that's me creating an account on an app that didn't exist an hour ago. Full stack. Not a mock-up, not a prototype you have to explain to people. About 20 minutes and it was live. 2 things Lovable does better than almost anything else in this category. First, the design. Most AI builders hand you something that screams template. Lovable's default output looks like a designer touched it. Second, you own the code. That's their own answer, on their own pricing page. GitHub sync, 1 click, and it's yours. React, TypeScript, Tailwind. That matters, and I'll come back to it later for a reason you won't expect. Okay. That was the first 20 minutes. Now let's talk about the bill. Because here's what nobody making a Lovable review will show you, what it costs to finish something. Most people think the $25 buys them building. It doesn't. It buys 1 pool of credits, and that pool pays for 3 separate things. Building the app, running it after you deploy it, and any AI features your own app uses every time one of your users touches them. That isn't my framing, it's their sentence, from one balance. So the day your app gets its first 100 visitors is also the day your building budget shrinks. Here are Lovable's own published examples. Change a button color, half a credit. Add a login system, 1 1/5. A landing page with images 2. The task board I built you at the top of this video came in at 6.7. Still sounds cheap, now scale it up. Builders who track their own counters put a 1-page MVP at 30 to 60 credits. And a 3-page app with logins and a database at 150 to 250. The plan everyone quotes you gives you 100 a month. Read that again. The most common thing people build doesn't fit inside the plan it's sold with. So you open their own dropdown and you go up a rung. 400 credits, $100 a month. That's the number that isn't on the pricing page. And you cannot see what a prompt will cost before you send it. You can see it afterwards, the 3-dot menu under any reply. And Lovable will stop and check with you before one message spends more than 20. One thing before you go anywhere. Those daily free credits reset at midnight UTC, they don't stack up. So don't take my word for any of this. The link in my description opens the free plan. No credit card, 5 credits a day. Run the same prompt I did and watch your own counter. If it burns faster than mine did, you just saved yourself $25. But the money isn't the biggest reason some of you should walk away from this. Remember that day in April I mentioned at the start? Here's what happened. And it's the part of this review nobody else is willing to make a video about. This starts in 2025. A security researcher was poking at an app somebody had built with Lovable. He found he could pull the entire user database. No password, no hacking. So he built a scanner and ran it across 1,645 Lovable projects. 170 of them, about 1 in 10, had completely open databases. 303 open endpoints. Names, emails, phone numbers, API keys, and financial records. On some of them, you could change whether an order had been paid for. And his scanner only read home pages. It never tried the logged in ones. So 170 is the floor, not the total. Lovable disputes it. They say protecting that data is each customer's own job. And the 9.3 severity score is Midas. NIST hasn't scored it at all. Here's why, in plain English. Your app talks to its database using a key that sits in your front-end code. Anyone can read that key, that's by design. The only thing between a stranger and your users is a rule called row-level security. Lovable writes those rules for you. Lovable does not guarantee it got them right. So if you build anything holding real user data, go and check it yourself. Then April this year, a researcher found that chat history and source code inside public projects were readable by any logged-in account. Their own write-up says the first report came in on the 22nd of February. It went public on the 20th of April. That's 57 days. They shipped a fix within 2 hours. And then they published this. Their words, not mine. The first public response was dismissive and failed to acknowledge the real concern. That's more than most companies do. Where it stands today, new projects are private by default. There's a security scanner before you publish, and they list 4 compliance certifications. Honest caveat, that scanner mostly checks whether the rules exist, not whether you wrote them correctly. Money handled, security handled. Now the part almost nobody mentions, there's one situation where Lovable costs half what you think. 5 things that cut your credit burn. I learned all of them the expensive way. 1. Plan before you prompt. Write out what the app does first outside Lovable. Vague prompts cost you twice. 2. Batch your asks. 10 small requests cost far more than 1 clear paragraph. 3. Use the visual editor for anything cosmetic. Colors, spacing, text, visual edits cost no credits at all inside a daily limit. Here's me doing it the expensive way, changing a button color with a prompt. It worked. It also came out of the same balance you watched hit 0. 4. When something breaks, roll it back. Don't argue with the AI. It loses context as your file count grows, and it will reintroduce bugs it already fixed. 5. The moment a bug survives 3 attempts, export to GitHub and fix it somewhere else. Those 5 will cut your burn. They won't fix the underlying thing. You still can't see a prompt's price before you send it. That's a real limitation, and I'm not going to pretend otherwise. Here's the bit worth knowing about the free plan. 5 credits a day, capped at 30 a month, and the daily ones reset at midnight. Which means the free tier is only free if you actually start using it. Open it in a second tab and try one of those 5 while it's fresh. So here's the framework nobody gives you. Lovable is the fastest tool on earth for the first 80%. The last 20 is where people lose hundreds of dollars. 4 signals it's time to leave. The same bug comes back a 3rd time. You need real-time, chat, live collaboration, WebSockets. You need to connect an API that isn't Supabase. Or you need Vue, Svelte, or a native mobile app. Lovable only does React for the web. When you hit any of those, export to GitHub, open it in Cursor or Claude Code, and finish it there. That's not failure, that's the workflow. I said I'd do this before I told you who should buy it. So 4 groups should skip Lovable entirely. You need a native iPhone or Android app. It builds for the web, full stop. Your existing project isn't React. You can import a repo, but only React, TypeScript, and Vite. Vue, Svelte, Angular, or Rails won't work. Your app has complicated multi-step logic, conditional pricing, intricate state. That's where the AI produces something that looks right and isn't. And you need a predictable monthly bill. One builder tracked 10 real projects, 38 credits for a lead capture page, 812 for an invoicing tool. If a fixed number matters to you, a flat rate tool is the honest answer. If you're in any of those 4, close the tab, I mean it. That situation I mentioned. If you're a student, verify your university email on Lovable's student page. It takes Pro down by half, $12.50 a month for a year. And if you know you'll use this for a year, their own toggle says annual gives you 2 months free. 1 order of operations, verify the student status first, then upgrade. So, the verdict. Lovable is the fastest way I know to get from an idea to a working app. It is also the most expensive way to spend 6 months building one. Use it as an accelerator, not an address. Founders validating an idea, product managers who need something clickable, developers skipping boilerplate, worth your $25. Anyone who needs a finished production grade product to stay inside it, it isn't. Last thing, and then I'll let you go. The credits will surprise you. They surprised me, and I knew what I was walking into. Which is exactly why you should start with the free version, and not with your credit card. So, 2 doors. Door 1, you've got an idea and nothing built yet. Free plan, first link in my description. No credit card, 5 credits a day. Run the prompt from earlier and watch your own counter. Door 2, you're already building and you've hit the credit wall. You already know which tier you need. Student, verify first. Sure about the year, go annual. Either way, it's the first link down there. Same link, both doors. One favor before you go. Drop a comment with what your first app actually cost you in credits. I'm collecting real numbers from real builds, and there's almost no honest data on this anywhere. And if you want the comparison, Lovable against the tools you'd graduate to, that one's right here.